Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best kids ear protection for monster truck you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many kids' ear protection for monster truck and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each kid's ear protection for monster truck so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying kids' ear protection for a monster truck show. First, focus on noise reduction rating, as monster trucks create very loud sounds that can harm young ears. A higher rating means better protection. Second, make sure the ear protection fits comfortably and securely on your child's head, with adjustable bands and soft padding to prevent discomfort. Third, choose durable materials that can handle rough use and last through multiple events. Also, consider lightweight designs so your child can wear them for longer periods without strain. Lastly, look for fun colors or designs that your child will enjoy wearing, making it easier to keep them protected. A good pair of ear protectors should combine comfort, safety, and durability for the best experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.